What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamerly and my channel is all about helping you start or grow your marketing agency or your e-commerce store. Now for those of you who are new to my channel, I actually run my own e-commerce marketing agency as well as my own e-commerce store, which is exactly why here on my channel I'll be sharing tips and strategies on how you guys can grow your online business. So if you guys like the sound of that, then be sure to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and also hit that notification bell wherever it is so that you guys are notified of each and every time that I post. Now before we get into the actual video, as you guys can tell, in today's video I will be sharing with you guys all of my sources of income and how I basically make my money. And I thought today that this video would be a good one just because I feel like a lot of you guys are subscribed to my channel or either follow me off of my social media platforms, and you guys know only some of the things that I actually do pertaining to my work and what I do as an entrepreneur. So what I did was I told myself to just make a video to just share exactly everything that I do and how I actually have those sources of income, you know, being deposited into my bank account. So without further ado, let's jump right into the first way. And I'm pretty sure this is the number one way and one thing that you guys should already know by now if you guys are subscribed to me, is the number one and the largest form of income that I am making is from and comes from my e-commerce marketing agency. So I have a social media marketing agency. Like I said, I probably say this within all of my videos. And for those of you who have been following me know that I've had this marketing agency with my boyfriend Jonathan for 4 years now, 4 years or 5 years now counting. And what we do as far as our services within our agency is we provide paid advertising and email marketing, and we work with e-commerce businesses. So anyone who has, you know, an e-commerce and online store, specifically in the health and beauty range and niche. Now, the second source of income and how I make my money is from my e-commerce store, which is ColorLux. And again, a lot of you guys probably know this. And if you guys aren't aware, I actually own my own e-commerce store by the name of ColorLux. And what I do is I have, you know, my own in-house inventory. I work one-on-one with a manufacturer where I actually am able to formulate and help formulate my products. And what I actually sell within my cosmetic store is vegan, cruelty, and paraben-free cosmetics. And as of right now, the only two products that I sell are matte liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. So whether you are a lady watching my video or a man, definitely be sure to check the description box below or just visit colorlux.com to shop your vegan, cruelty, and paraben-free cosmetics for either yourself, your mom, grandmother, your friend, girlfriend, wife, whatever, or yourself, doesn't matter. Definitely be sure to check it out. For anyone here who is watching my channel or sees this, you guys actually get a 20% off code here off YouTube, and all you guys have to do is at your checkout, enter YouTube 20 so that you guys receive 20% off your entire order. Now for the third source of income that I have is through affiliate marketing. Now I actually have a video specifically on affiliate marketing, how to get started and how you guys can start making money and produce money by affiliate marketing. So I will actually link that up here if you guys are interested in, you know, getting into this. However, basically what affiliate marketing is, to just give you like a rundown, is when I refer you guys something that I currently use, like all of my platforms, like all of my business softwares, my platforms, if they do have like an affiliate program, I sign up with the affiliate program and that program gives me a link that I give to you guys or recommend or refer to you guys, which I always leave down below in the description box for anything that I either mention within that video that pertains to that specific software or thing that I'm referring to you guys. And basically what it is whenever you guys click on that link or sign up with that specific program, I actually get a small commission or a large commission depending on what program it is and how much they pay from basically me referring you guys to them. And just a few of the ones that I actually get paid from are Amazon, ClickFunnels, you know, Wix.com, Numi Hair. I have like one video on one of my, like the hair tools that I have a coupon within that video for all my ladies watching this video. If you guys want a curling wand or any curling style wand or flat iron, I actually have a code with them that you guys can use at checkout, and you guys actually help me out every time you input that code and purchase something from them as well. Now those were just a couple of them, but going back to what I said in the beginning of this video, I'm pretty sure I have a couple other ones that I didn't write down on this paper to share with you in today's video that I just have out there that is producing money, and I sometimes just get, you know, from PayPal or just direct deposited into my account from different things, from different softwares that you guys are, you know, using my links from, that I'm getting, you know, money from. So yeah, that is the third way I actually make money. which is through all of my affiliate links, through affiliate marketing. And every time you guys are so nice and use my recommended link, you guys make me a commission, so thank you. Now, the fourth way that I actually make my income is through digital products. So for the most of you who've been subscribed to me for maybe over a year now, you guys should know that last year I actually came out with my own ebook, and that's probably like the only digital product that I have as of right now. And that ebook, I literally don't do anything. I created it once, and it's literally one of my passive incomes. I just promote it, or whenever I recommend it to someone and they purchase it, all they have to do is purchase it and it's sent to them through email, and that is it. I don't have to do anything other than basically say, hey, I have an ebook, check it out, it's down linked below. Now, the next way, or the fifth way, is website creations. Now, I still do this on the side. I actually create websites for other e-commerce stores or people who are starting, you know, their own e-commerce business and need help with creating a website. And I actually do it for a very cheap cost, in my opinion. It's not like other people where you actually pay them thousands and thousands of dollars. I literally only charge $500 for me to create and design your entire website for you. So I actually do that. If you guys are interested in this, you can either DM me through Instagram and I'll send you my booking link, and then we can jump on a call and go from there and discuss what exactly it is that you guys need. But yeah, that is another way that I actually make my income, is I create some websites. Now, my sixth form of income is through this platform, which is YouTube. So I actually make money through YouTube. Google AdSense obviously sends me and cuts me a check of what I make from all of my lovely viewers and subscribers watching my video every single month, which I'm so grateful for, you guys. YouTube has honestly changed my life and all of my other businesses and the way that, and all of the other sources of income, to be honest, because if you've watched one of my previous videos, you guys should know YouTube and Google AdSense isn't the only thing or the type of source of income that I actually get through YouTube. Just for me being on this platform, I've actually been able to obtain, you know, clients for my marketing agency, buyers for my e-commerce store, people who have purchased my digital product, and people who have used my affiliate link. So it is a well-adversed platform that has actually made me a lot of money in all different aspects, which I'm so grateful for. So yes, YouTube is probably one of my hugest and most top forms of income as well, I should say, because it's helped me with every other thing that I have going on in regards to my business. And then my last and my final and most newest source of income that I have actually added into my whole business realm is Opulent Coaching. So I know I discussed this in a previous video of mine, but my boyfriend and I actually started Opulent Coaching a couple months ago. We are still in the works of, you know, finalizing everything. It's gonna take a little bit until we get our like finalized product and what we are actually trying to achieve, which is, you know, our actual coaching program, a course, up and running for you guys, which we are so excited to actually, you know, be in the works of that and get that going and finalized. Now with Opulent Coaching, we're still not finished, and we obviously are in the works of our biggest project, which is obviously our coaching program and the course, like I stated previously. However, as of right now, I do offer one-on-one strategy calls, and this is for anyone, whether you guys are still stuck in a 9-to-5 or if you guys are actually entrepreneurs and had just started, you know, your business. Now within this strategy call, these are for those people who actually don't know where to begin or how to start their business or a business just in general. And within our one-on-one strategy call, we will actually discuss your business goals and formulate a solid plan of action that will actually help you be able to build your high-ticket online business. So if this is something that you guys are interested in or would like to, you know, jump on a one-on-one call with me, I actually have my link down below in the description box as well for you guys, so that you guys can actually book and schedule a call with me. And I just want to let you know that space is limited as well. However, that actually completes this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it and now have an idea of how I actually make my money and all the things that I do. And I hope that by hearing everything that I do, it actually gives you guys a couple ideas on how you guys can also make money and start different sources of income, because having multiple sources of income is so important. And I highly highly recommend you start building these sources of income from now, so that later on in the future they will be huge and you will be generating a lot of revenue from different areas and different outlets. However, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, as well as comment down below what you guys would like to see next from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.